This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. When you got to Renaissance, did you get introduced to Elephant from then, or this was after the fact?
Before.
Oh, so you got linked with Elephant before you got to Renaissance?
Yeah.
Okay. How did you link with Elephant?
All right. I link with Elephant. Me and Elephant did a link long time, but I start par with Elephant is Deja Vu and Keep Preacher friend, and then Deja Vu say I go a Negril. And he must say, yo, so me I got a Negril, me a Elephant, you want to roll? And me I say, all right.
Yeah.
We could go a Negril, and one day me, Deja Vu and Elephant drive go gym weekend, and the way I go down where I build be a song I go down in the car, be a vibes I build, we build like 5 songs to the way to gym weekend. So Elephant love the vibes. And I said, wait, them youth and the way up we build 5 more. So I said, no, man, I'm here apart from today. So from that day, then me, Elephant, and Deja Vu the start part.
What do you remember? What year was you guys started to link?
I think early 2000, about 2003.
2003.
Yeah.
Okay. So then now you got to thing there. You got to Renaissance. Elephant was up there also.
Yeah, Elephant did come around Renaissance too as well.
But he introduced you to Bogle because all you guys are on the move.
Yeah. So I meet Bugle around Elephant, man.
And you guys recorded your first song together. Because I know out of everybody you collaborated with, Bounty, Ding Dong, Wayne Marshall, all of them, it seems like the most that you did was with Bugle.
Yeah, no, because me and Bugle now, after with their own Elephant, man, we are write song and all of these things, don't we are say, wait. Then we are write be a hit song. So we need to make some hit song too. So we decide, say, all right, whenever we go at the studio and we write a song, we just, because the producer now voice, after Elephant done voice, the producer don't want to voice 2-3 artists one time. So we decide, say, all right, make a combinate and go up on the rhythm.
Yeah.
So when we write a song for Ellie, we just combinate and make a song together, me and Bugle, and that's how me and Bugle thing start transpire.
What was the first song you guys recorded together?
I think it's a song for Renaissance, Magla. Girl, oh, you look so good, you must see Magla up and that's something, yeah.
Yeah.
Magla song.
Big there. Hanging with Ellie, Bugle, Deja Vu, Kip Rich is in the mix. Everybody's in the mix here now. What was the first song you guys wrote for Elephant Man?
The first song we wrote, don't know that song I didn't remember the first song with you, but it's a lot of song.
Do you remember the first hit you guys actually created then?
Wow. What a hit song.
What do you say? It's that much?
Lot of hit song, all right. What a hit song. You can't even count.
Okay, so then this is a question then. How did you guys go from basically being artists yourself to now becoming writers for somebody else? How did that all happen?
Well, that all happened because we are part with Elephant now, and we decide, say, all right, Elephant I go help we get the break. So we say, all right, make we help him go out there and run the place, and then him a go return back the favor. So we start putting energy in a framework, him are the more established artists at the time. So we and Deja Vu and Bugle and Busy Signal all are with their own Elephant, man, and I say, yo, yeah, the dopes, because you know Elephant are with dopes. I'm the one. And then now we get Elephant out, then now and him for return back the same favor. And
all right, we're gonna get into that there. Even a name like Busy Signal. How did Busy Signal get into this camp here now?
Yeah, because Busy Signal, I think him fly down with Jazzy T and their Renaissance. They are Renaissance and same I got ton must say selector. And we are say no a DJ thing, brother, and so the whole way a DJ. So I think him voice him first song on the Thunderclap, him and a singer. shake it fast, on the thunderclap, and I said, no, that youth are bad. So whenever Elephant now come pick me up a Renaissance, me I say, yo, we have to roll with Busy too. So because me and Busy the at daytime, so I saw Busy now start parrot Elephant as well.
So was Busy writing also, or he was off doing his own thing while still parring with the man them?
He was doing him own thing. Him never was, more time him put in a 1 and 2 line, but him never used to write like, oh, me and Deja Vu used to write the song them.
So the team of writers was yourself, Deja Vu, Bugle, and Kiprich also? Or Kiprich was just around?
Kiprich was just there. It's me, Deja Vu, Bugle, and a youth named Fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the teams. I'm trying to remember, because you're talking, these are 2003, 4, the Renaissance days. This was because when Elephant Man really peaked was Pon the River, Pon the Bank. That was explosion time by that time.
That's the big one.
Yeah, so you guys were leading up to that. Give me some of the songs that you guys wrote.
All right, Bad Man Face and Seat. Bad Man Face and Seat, so not me write that.
Yeah.
When Miggy Jackie the Cocky, me and Deja Vu.
Yeah.
Where them here to for? Where them here to for? Enemy. Me. A lot of song. Whole heap of song.
All of those songs you guys wrote, Boss?
All of them song there.
That's crazy. And this is building up to the Pon the River, Pon the Bank.
Yeah, building up to Pon the River, Pon the Bank. So on the steps with them, we have Elephant have 2 songs. Me and Deja will write the 2 songs them.
Which 2 songs were on the steps again?
A song I say, you over there, come here. Yeah. That song that girl from Pakistan. Yeah.
And where were you guys even coming up with this way of writing, this way of thinking, and all of these things here? How did you guys even come up with all of that there?
All right. At that time, Deja Vu artist was Busta Rhyme, and my artist are Biggie Small. So when we listen to the 2 artists, them and I said, them 2 artists are flow different. So we mix the 2 artists them together and get a new flow out of everything. So at that time, we had DJ some different swing, and people say, yo, not swing so, but we clash the Biggie Small and the Busta Rhyme style together. Yeah.
And that created these powerful songs right here.
The whole of them style.
Because if I remember too, this is when Passa Passa was going on too.
Passa Passa, Fire Links at Monday.
Hot Mondays, Dirty Fridays, all of those. Friday. So you guys are writing these songs that's basically running the place at those times.
Running the dance hall, taking over the whole dance hall. Everybody has said, but so most of the songs them were already right, them already. So we just give Elephant for DJ because them would already have the song them already.
Okay, so some of these songs that we're hearing, they were written, you guys had them from before.
Yeah.
Do you remember any songs that you guys had before that he re-recorded or recorded because you guys might not have recorded them?
Yeah, we have Chiny thing already. First thing when I carry a teeny weeny, tiny thing that kaki fatter than the buckle for Heineken. Yeah, that did done right already.
Yeah. But you guys didn't record it though?
No, we never recorded.
But you guys performed it, I guess.
It's perform already and DJ already, and the whole community, our community already know them song there already.
So how did that song go from you guys' song to his song now?
Because as I was say, when we did at the studio and we hear a rhythm where it fits, so we have say DJ, you know, say we have the hit song for that rhythm, and he must say, yeah, make me hear it.
Yeah.
And then when we make him hear it, he must say, yo, him go to scatter and say, yo, rub off that. That not good. Neither and Deja Vu find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was a good combination of him, the artist, you guys as the writers.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Doing your thing. So I want to know now, the lead up. So the first big explosion was Pon the River.
Yeah, Pon the River take over the world now.
How did you guys, walk me through that, how you guys even came up with that right there? Because I think that one was recorded over at Don Corleone.
Yeah, Don Corleone.
Yes.
And Cool Face them. So at that time, we there at Mondays. One night we there at Mondays and we see Janai dancing, and at the time we say, wait. Because them time the dancing just a go broke out back. Them time the bogle they are foreign. I would say, So Firelinks now come up with the idea.
Okay.
Firelinks come up with the idea and say, yo, Pond the River, so when me and Deja Vu got the studio now up at Dan, we sit down up at Dan and build the song. Cool Face was there as well. And Firelinks was there as well, and the whole would us build that song together.
When that song came out now, explosion.
Big explosion.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.